One explosion after the other in Dubai. And these are not just drones, missiles are being seen. This is now being reported by wire agency Reuters. Missiles are being tracked as they move in the direction of Dubai. Pro-Iran protesters in Tehran continue to chant armed forces, revenge, revenge. But it's the civilian areas that are being targeted in the United Arab Emirates, in Dubai. Abu Dhabi was targeted earlier. And Sandeep, this is a cause for grave concern because Dubai, by and large, has been an island of peace, treated as a very major commercial economic center, and that is systematically now being targeted. Palm Al Jumeirah, Burj Al Khalifa, but now we are told there are other locations that are being targeted, including the Abu Dhabi airport yesterday.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Dubai was an oasis of stability, peace, prosperity. It's literally a Singapore of West Asia. That is where money would come in because it was seen as an investment haven. A lot of Indians have built their second homes. Some have actually permanently relocated to Dubai as well. It was seen as this island of tranquility in this very unpredictable part of the world, that's West Asia. And that's the full credit of the rulers of UAE. They're some of the
Give
most
me a moment. I want to quickly cut across to Dubai where Sanjeev Ohri joins us with the latest. Sanjeev, what can you tell us what's happening?
Good morning. The road seems to be calm. We have not heard any explosion since midnight. Last at 1 a.m. There was one explosion that was heard, and immediately we got this emergency message from the government, which we were awaiting. Because they do it like this. Whenever there is an emergency, they leave this flash emergency message, and we got that message at about 1:05 a.m. And immediately after that, two more blasts were heard, and we could see these missile sort of things in the sky, and about three of them immediately after that.
Okay, so Reuters is
After
reporting.
that, the panic situation was created, and all.
Reuters is reporting loud explosions are being heard
Yeah.
in Dubai. Is that in a different part of Dubai
Hello?
where you are?
If I am audible,
Yes,
I am audible.
you are. Go on.
Okay, and then after these blasts and the emergency message that we got from the government, and all the people were on the road because the panic situation was created and everybody was in a state and what is happening. And we could even now, we could hear this the jets in the sky, and knowing that the commercial planes are not operating, and I'm sure something is really going on. But yes, government is able to manage it, and being here, though it doesn't seem doesn't seem unsafe here in Dubai. But yes, something is happening and it can be felt. Government has also announced the schools and universities to have study from home, the home studies for next 2 days. That also, hints about whatever is going to happen. And then we have this another threat from Iran that the worst is still to come. So yes, we definitely again believe the government, and they are taking care of it. As of now, there is definitely the panic is there, but there is not much impact on the lives of the people, on the citizens, and the no threats to the citizens and the residents of UAE.
No, but
yes, something.
was this not unexpected, Sanjeev? The fact that Palm Al Jumeirah was targeted, Burj Al Khalifa was targeted, the images that went viral on social media, Abu Dhabi airport, there were reports of a blast. Is Dubai taking this very calmly? Because images that you see, and when you speak to people, there is panic there.
Yes, this is something we don't listen about. We don't see in Dubai. Dubai is supposed to be the most safe country, and rather UAE rather. And no, yes, this is definitely something that we don't expect and have never seen here in Dubai. And yes, something happening in the Palms and near the Burj Khalifa was really a concerning thing, because that is where most of the people look up to, and they are the heart of Dubai, both Business Bay where the Burj Khalifa is, and there's the Palms. Definitely, it is panic situation is there, but I am sure while the things are happening, we can feel the things are happening. The government is taking care. Panic won't help here. The social media has been we are not allowed to make any videos, and they are making sure that false news are not spread. and people are abiding that. I hope the right information is going to everyone, and if it is it's fine, I'm sure they are taking care. Things are in control. The panic is there, my individual panic is there, the community panic is there, but things are under control. It has not yet affected the life of Dubai. If I can just show you,
Yes.
the roads are still there. Being Sunday morning, we don't see much traffic, but people are on road. They are, people who work on Sundays, they are already on the road, and the life is okay. So panic is there, but again, people here, we trust the government. They are taking care of it. Thank you.